Hello everybody, how to make a 100% free online PDF converter, not paying any payment, 100% free lifetime access. Let's go. Open your Chrome browser, search to mpro.com and enter. Open this section. This software online problem solving tools, all type tools, Master Proji, your ultimate hub for solving daily problem thought internet tools. Okay, scroll first off, all in one top PDF tools, edit, convert and merge effectively. Click to PDF multiple tools for free. Click now, and this feature top 100% free top PDF tools, 80 plus tools 100% free, not limitation, not credit, not payment processing, not sign up, absolutely 100% free. This search box, any type PDF tools, and first line last option PDF converter. Click now this option, choose file, your device and Dropbox and Google Drive. Anyway, example, choose file option, open my PDF option. Example, this image, open and convert PDF. Add option, one piece, convert to PDF. This option, remove option and more, add option and convert. Conversion successfully. Download PDF and save to Dropbox and save to Google Drive. Copy link, start over. Download option, click now and download option, rename and save. This video education purpose. This video helpful. Please like, subscribe and follow, and next video immediately.